Hello guys! Welcome to the video of how to download Free Fire in PC or laptop. First, go to this website. Link in the description box. Simply press the download button and open the executable file. Press the install button and wait for the process to complete. Waiting time depends on your network speed. After the process completed, open BlueStacks. Now open Play Store and log in with your account. And next, download the Z-Archiver app. And now open this website. Link in the description box. Download the APK and the OBB file. If you want Free Fire Max, simply download it from Play Store. After downloading, install the APK file. After downloading the file, open the Z-Archiver app. Extract the zip file to the OBB folder. If the folder does not exist, simply create a new one. And now open Free Fire. And now log in with your Free Fire account. If you want settings for Free Fire, please check my channel for the settings video. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.